This is how you can set up a WhatsApp group. This works both for Android and iOS. Go ahead and open your WhatsApp. When you open your WhatsApp, click on the add icon showing above your chat screen. You're going to be seeing an add icon showing above your chat screen. Click on it. When you do that, you're going to be seeing new group, new contact, and new community. Please do not click on new community. Go ahead and click on new group. Now choose the people you are going to be adding to your group. Now when you do that, click on next. Go ahead and name your group. So I'm going to be naming my group YouTube. You can go ahead and choose a photo for your group. So I'll choose this. This is the photo I'm going to be choosing for my group. And then I'm going to be clicking on. So the group permission, you can go ahead and set your group permission, which is either to send message. Everyone can send message in the group. Approve new participants, you can go ahead and on that, so any new user is going to be approved by you. So you can go ahead and turn it or turn it off. You can go ahead and edit the settings on your group or add other participants. So you're going to go ahead and click on create. When you do that, you're going to be having your WhatsApp group. Now here is how you can go ahead and delete your WhatsApp group if you probably do not want it again. Go ahead and click on the group icon. When you do that, make sure you remove whoever is in the group, because when you do not remove whoever is in the group, when you go ahead to exit the group, it's going to give the next person admin. So do not do that. Go ahead and remove everyone in the group first. So I'm going to be removing him. When I remove him or whoever I'm going to be removing, remove everyone in the group chat. Then you click on exit group. Click on exit group and your group is no longer. So you're going to go ahead and click delete group and your group is no longer available on your chat. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.